So the question of the day, Michelle, it's hot, it's steamy, it really is just, I like to refer to this as armpit weather. It's awful. When in the world are things going to go back to September?
I love your terminology there, yeah.
That's why you do the weather.
You know, I'll come up with some different words here. Let me think about this. All right, let's talk about today. It was like armpit weather. Couldn't think of anything better because it really does describe how it felt out there. Hot and humid, and we got to 93 degrees average this time of year for the second day of September. 81, of course, so we were nowhere near that. And even starting off this morning, 69 degrees average this time of year, around 62. So yeah, we started off this morning way above average and temperatures rose up into the 90s. Rain cooled air now starting to move in across the area. Had a few thunderstorms around Washington County and a few showers moved through. So now some lower 70s across the board here. 70 for Waynesboro, but look out towards the western edge. Already starting to see some clearing here with the cloud coverage before the sun sets. So that's actually allowing the temperatures to rise back up there into the 80s. So 84 for Hancock, even in Martinsburg, 85 there. So over the last 6 hours, the satellite and radar composite shows us the clouds and the rain that has been moving through the area here for the mid-Atlantic. And there it is, the spotty showers all associated with the surface trough that are passing through. DC started to see a few showers there into the afternoon hours. So for the evening commute, a little bit wet there on the roads. If you are heading out, still take it slow out there. Some of the roads could be a little bit on the slick side. But as for us in Washington County, no heavy downpours, just a few showers. And at least it brought us a little bit of some relief here because it was very, very hot. Those heat indices were more so in the mid-90s. Now, heading into the evening hours, I mentioned some of those temperatures rising a tad before falling after the sun sets there. So it's going to be a little bit warmer. 83 there for 7 o'clock, 74 by the midnight hour. And I just showed you on the almanac what our morning low for this time of year is. 62 degrees. Well, you can also tell there around 7 a.m. we're not even going to be getting that cool. We're already going to be way above average there in the lower 70s. So kicking it off above average once again. A very warm morning ahead of us and a very hot and humid day. Once again, I know, unfortunately, here for the mid-Atlantic. So even the 3rd of September is not going to feel fall-like at all here. Weak high pressure is going to be building in for our Thursday there. Could have a possible shower, but more so out towards the west there. Pittsburgh as well, up to Detroit and some Great Lakes area. They could be seeing some of those showers and thunderstorms. We should be holding off on that, but we will start to see some partly cloudy skies, especially through the afternoon hours. So aside from that, the real rain that's going to be giving us a break and some relief, that's not going to arrive here until Friday. So after that, we'll start to see some clearing and some cooler temperatures. But now look at Futurecast now out to the next 48 hours, showing you all the way heading into Friday. In the beginning of Friday, some partly cloudy skies, but in the afternoon hours, the green representing some rain showers, they'll be popping in more so in the evening hours and then clearing out as we head towards Saturday afternoon. So even Saturday morning could have a shower lingering around there, but we'll start to clear out to mostly sunny, temperatures dropping to around 80 degrees, and the holiday weekend absolutely gorgeous, mostly sunny, lower 80s across the board there for Labor Day, and then picking it back up and warming once again. We'll be creeping back up to those upper 80s by Wednesday of next week. Michelle?